going back and killing a doe until the big bucks start cooperating, which is show up in daytime hours. And I moved them cameras around and moved them around. I'm gonna let them do their thing. So I'm gonna do mine while they do theirs, and yeah, I'm gonna go in there and get me some more doe meat. So that's how that's gonna work. I know meat got a pretty penny for $1 right now, and I'm gonna go back and go kill me some does. So with that said, we're going after some does, and if something good show up, we'll take it. If something don't, like I said, we will shoot a doe. We ain't got too far to go this morning to get in there, so gonna go in there, get set up, and camera says there's does all hours of the day, all hours of the morning, so should see something. We're gonna slip in there in the night and get set up. So I shouldn't say night to cover the darkness though this morning. We're gonna slip in there so they don't know we're there, and get set up. But anyway, see you in the tree. Should be coming any second. See you. Well, it's 11 now. So that one turkey is up there gobbling. I was going to try to get some footage of it, but I didn't know when it was going to gobble. Sorry. That thing Keith taught me to grunt call and then baby in a can. It never worked. So I'm going to have to get him to show me how to do that again, because it didn't work for me. Nothing came in running. If anything, the squirrels left. So I was sitting there doing it. I mean, I think the grasshoppers and the crickets even choked themselves out because they didn't want to hear it. It sounded horrible. It sounded horrible. But anyway, did say Longbeard. That was me. He came right on down here. So anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for today. And I'm gonna get out of here. I think it's supposed to rain a little bit later. So that's it for today. See ya.